over here you can see that I have a visual report right here, and this is inside of Microsoft Project. But if you want to take the data over here, that is the visual data over here, into another application like Microsoft Excel, then you can do that as well. So for that, you need to go around over here onto the report tab, and from over here you can see that visual reports is an option. If you were to go ahead and click right here, then you can see that right now I'm showing up report templates that are created in Microsoft Excel and Visio. So you can actually go around and export out Visio reports as well. But I'm focusing on Microsoft Excel over here, because I just want to export it out into Microsoft Excel. So you can go around and choose the report that you want to export right here. Like let's say, for example, resource cost summary right here. So then once you choose that out, you need to click on view. And then what happens is that it opens out the particular report in Excel now. And you can see that it pulls in the data over here as well, just like this. So you can see that all of the data is here, and it created a pivot table inside of Excel. So you can still go around and modify out the report, as you can see right here in Excel, and continue working with this data in Excel as well. So that is how you can actually go around and export out visual reports as you like in another format like Excel, or you can also export it as a Visio report from Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe